you want a photo?
Marinette, it's Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Chloe.
Could you repeat that? I couldn't hear you.
Merry Christmas, Chloe.
Chloe, it's Christmas.
No war is alone tonight. No one cares about me if I'm lost or I'm found, and I'm just like a cat in the night. I'll take your symbol of joy and burn it to the ground. I'm the vengeful cat of the night. I'm the vengeful cat of the night. Cataclysm!
I wish that I could help you to assist your transformation, but I can't, Adrian, don't you see? I'm tired and distressed, I've got nothing to digest. I'm weak and I'm running on empty.
Speculation is that some supervillain is after Adrian. It's a good thing I'm here. I'll protect him without fear. This boy that I secretly love, and with all of my might, I'll save you tonight. You're the boy that I secretly love. If you never know it's true, I'll be there for you. You're the boy that I secretly love.
Santa Claus?
Not exactly. I am Santa Claus. I'm a rebel with a cause. I'll punish and I'll give you a prize.
Even you have a right to that too. Rebel with a cause, you give us so much pride. We all have the right to a present on Christmas night.
Beside my tree has beautiful blonde hair and deep green eyes. I know we're meant to be, if you would notice me, waiting for my present to arrive. So Santa, here's my wish to share a Christmas kiss with the one that I've been dreaming of. But keeping him from me is a catastrophe. He's the boy I secretly love. It's gonna be a miraculous Christmas. My wish for a cat who's in love with our own ladybug is that he'll get what he's always wanted. She doesn't know she loves him, only sees Adrian.
And when it's time to go, that's when I become miraculous, simply the best, up to the test when things go wrong. Miraculous, yeah, I got this. I gotta confess, I feel so strong. I'm watching him, he looks at me. We know our names, not our identity. He's super cool,